Alright guys, it's been way too long without a Sweptline video, so here we are. I'm in this little storage shed right now because the shop is stinky and you'll get a headache because there's no ventilation, and my dad's doing a lot of welding in this bed, so we're just patching up all the rust holes and getting it ready for undercoating. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to get all these holes filled, spray it with some undercoating, the whole bottom side of the bed, and this thing should be ready to be put back on the truck. And hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along with this build, and consider sharing, commenting, and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thanks for the support, guys. Let's get to it. Oh, coming on. Anyways, if you watched the first Subaru video, the drive shaft, the front U-joint on this thing was broken. So right now what we're doing is I have removed this drive shaft. It was a little bit of a pain, but she's about to come out. I had to take that 2 bolts for the carrier bearing there, had to take those off, and then these 4 back here, and she just had to be pried this way and plopped off. Here is the yoke that slides up into the transfer case. It is splined and it just sits in there. It's kind of tough to see, but you can see splined. Anyways, that's in rough shape there. So when that U-joint broke, it really messed this piece up. But honestly, this part is impossible to find. So what we're going to do is the right thing, and we're just going to clean it up and we're going to run with it. And hopefully it works. I mean, this car's 73 horsepower, so it's not like it's going to get a lot of pressure on it. Well, maybe, but yeah, we're just going to run with it. If it breaks again, she'll be front wheel drive and we'll still drive her and beat her up a little bit. We're just putting that on top, giving her a good whack. Got her. She's out of there. The U-joint's out of this yoke and this drive shaft here. Like I said, guys, these things were staked. So if you see those little notches of metal there, they hold them in versus usually you have a clip. And so all these Subaru guys, they said that these things aren't serviceable. But I've been looking, and there's U-joints you can buy for these things, but they have clips. I'm not for sure if the U-joint's going to be able to stay in there or not. If you guys have any ideas how to make it stay in there but the U-joint still function as it should, leave it down in the comments below. So if you've seen before, this was all rust here. Got that all filled and getting miscellaneous little rust holes. That'll look a lot better when we're able to clean it up, but that's what we're doing right now. This is OSHA approved. For the undercoating, what's being used is this Chameleon Gravex premium stuff. It's real thick, chunky, pretty cheap, but it gets the job done. Gonna need one more can, but there it is, looking brand new. A lot of texture, thick. This bed's not perfect by any means, but it is good for who it's for. Anyways, guys, so this thing now is ready to be prepped up. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start sanding this down and basically edge everything out, get that ready for paint. So basically it'll be the same as what we've gotten here, how we've edged out the doors and everything. We're gonna do the same thing to this bed, and we're also gonna get this all prepped up and ready to put the bed coating in here. The bed coating is the same stuff that we use on the bottom of the rocker panels that has that texture. And so it'll be just like that there, where it has a little bit of texture, and you actually mix that with your paint color. So we'll show you guys how to do that. That'll be all for the next video. So we'll get all that painting done, and we'll get this bed finally back on this truck. As you can tell though, this is pretty messy as of now, but don't you all worry, it'll look good. Just trust us, okay? I know this video was short and sweet, but I just want to let you guys know that it's cooling off outside, and that's the best time to be in the shop. So we're really going to get back going on the videos. Hope you guys enjoy them, and if you're new, like I said, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like these old Sweptlines. We'll catch you on the next video. Good night.